Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am sharing with you a video about the concept of in and out. This activity I have conducted in my class. It is very easy and simple activity, and by this activity you can help the students to learn about in and out. Yes. Anaya Hisak, put your toy in the box. Yes, Haika, where is your ball? In the box. Yes, Arisha Irfan, put your car in the box. Very good, good job. Yes, Zoha Wasim, put your aeroplane in the box. Your ball is out of the box. Very good. Yes, Hadia, your teddy bear is in the box. Put your car in the box. Yes, yes, very good. Good job. Here I am conducting other activity. I have pasted some cards on the board, relevant in and out, and, and asking to my students to paste the card like this. A water is in the jug. Very good. Some water is out of the jug. Paste the card. Yes, very good, Rohan. Very good. Good job. Yes, a ball is in the basket. Put your card. Yes, paste your card. Very good. Very good. A ball is out of the basket. Paste your card. Very good. Good job. Yes, a fish is in the pond. Paste your card. Very good. A fish is out of the pond. Out. Yes. Paste your card over here. Yes, good. Now here I am also conducting a video about in and out. I have drawn a big circle and asking my students jump in. Yes, jump out. Very good. Jump in, jump out. Jump in, jump out. Very good. Good job. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.